5 seconds to go. Start. On 11th November 2021, a meeting of the Recruitment and Promotion Committee overseeing the Superior Judicial Service was held. The minutes of the meeting adverted to Rules 6 and 8 of the Rules and a corresponding provision contained in the Punjab Superior Judicial Service Rules 2007. Both sets of rules were amended by the states of Haryana and Punjab in order to bring uniformity in promotions to the superior judicial service. In both the states, the committee inter alia resolved that in terms of Rule 7(3)(a) of the Punjab Superior Judicial Service Rules 2007 and Rule 6(1)(a) of Haryana Superior Judicial Service Rules 2007, the suitability test shall consist of written objective test of 75 marks and viva voce of 25 marks so as to assess legal knowledge and efficiency in legal field for discharging higher duties and responsibilities. Securing 50% marks in the written test and 50% marks in viva voce individually would make a candidate eligible for promotion. As a result of the above resolution, the committee decided that in order to be eligible for promotion, a candidate must secure 50% marks in the written test and 50% marks in the viva voce. In other words, while under the earlier resolution of the full court dated 29 January 2013, a candidate was required to obtain at least 50% marks in the written test and viva voce combined, the proposal of the Recruitment and Promotion Committee of 11th November 2021 stipulated that a candidate must obtain at least 50% marks in the written test and at least 50% in the viva voce. This resolution of the committee was approved by the full court at a meeting which was held on 30th November 2021. At the same time, it must also be noted that the committee had proposed certain modifications in the benchmark for assessing the ACRs of candidates under Rule 8. The full court, while deliberating on the recommendations of the committee, resolved that the report dated 11th November 2021 of Honorable Recruitment and Promotion Committee Superior Judicial Service be accepted with modification in para number 3 of the benchmark of the ACRs as per Rule 8. After modification, the said para be read as under. A candidate should have obtained at least 4 B plus good or above grading in the annual confidential reports in the preceding 5 years, and the candidate should not be having grading as C integrity doubtful in any year, provided that for the purpose of assessing the benchmark, the ACRs of a candidate yet to be approved by the Honorable Full Court would also be considered, but his result would be kept in a sealed cover subject to the final decision of the Honorable Full Court. The full court also resolved that in order to settle the issue in a comprehensive manner, the necessity, if any, to amend the rules should be examined by the committee overseeing the Superior Judicial Service and the Rule Committee. Following the above resolution, the two committees convened on 11th February 2022. Stop.